How to change personal Instagram account to a creator account. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily switch your personal Instagram account into a professional account. Now, let's get right into it. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged in. And once you open up the app, just head over to your profile section by tapping on the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you land on your profile page, you need to tap on the hamburger menu to head over to your settings. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will see something like account types and tools. It is for professional accounts, so just tap on account type and tools. Now you have an option to switch to professional account. Head over to it and simply tap on next. Now here you can choose what kind of professional account you want to have. I'm just going to choose this one. And if you want, you can also display this tag on your profile by toggling this button. I'm not going to do that. Now tap on switch to professional account. And here you will have an option to choose. If you want to be a creator, you can choose a creator account, or if you're opening a business or if it's for your business, you can choose this. But simply tap on creator right here. Now tap on next. And if you want, you can share your logins on your account center. I'm not going to do that right now. And once you do that, your account will be changed to a creator account. So you can verify it by tapping on your menu. And right here down below, you'll have an option that says creator tools and controls. If it says this, that means your account has been successfully turned into a creator account. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.